Yolo. Paulo.
Palwa. Palwa.
Balwa.
Yolo.
Palwa. 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 Palwa.
Piolo.
Paula.
Okay.
Dapat. Si Sien. Sino te? Sien.
Hi everyone, good evening. As you can hear, parang yung voice ko nag-iba. It's because I got colds and I'm not really feeling well right now. By the way, today is Sunday and it's around 9 p.m. in the evening. So for this part of the video, ito yung gagawin ko. Because kahapon bumili ako nito. This is a box. And I will be putting a lot of stuffs here, including my undies. Yeah, ito yung ilalagay ko dito. I think yun lang ilalagay ko dito because parang sakabal siya dito eh. Kasi meron sana akong drawer dito but pinalabas ko na kasi nilagay ko na lang lahat ng mga clothes ko dito. Mag-haul muna ako. Anyway guys, etong sinuot ko. Itong sinuot ko. It's very long. This is the famous on TikTok na medyo, I don't know if leather ba siya, pero para siyang leather na bag. So, ganyan lang. I bought this for around 158 pesos. And also, I bought this sa same shop ko siya binili. Ito. It's 58 pesos. Dalawa yung binili ko nito. But then, ito yung binigay ko para sa exchanging gift namin kanina. By the way, this one is also for my another party na atenan maybe next week. This is for 58 pesos. I'll get back here. Everyone for watching up until this video. This has been Kar&Love, your may gugmaon. Bye-bye!